Are you tired of carrying multiple charging bricks and cables with you whenever you travel? Well, these chargers in front of me are the new Anker Prime series of chargers, which is Anker's new flagship premium charging lineup for 2026. So this right here is the Anker 160 watt charger with a smart display. This is the Anker stand wireless charging station, and this is the Anker foldable charging station. Now, what I appreciate most about this new foldable charging station is how Anker has effectively solved the problem of carrying multiple chargers for various devices, even integrating a MagSafe charger compatible for my iPhone, a wireless charger for my AirPods, and an Apple Watch charger into one product, which is made for Apple Watch certified. Now, what's amazing about this charger is the fact that it's Qi2 25 watt certified, delivering up to 25 watts MagSafe compatible charging, and it can actively cool your iPhone so that you get the fastest and most optimized charging speed wirelessly. Besides that, it can fast charge my Series 11, which is awesome, and charge my AirPods Pro 3 at the same time. Also, you can use this charger to prop up your iPhone so you can watch videos or hop on a FaceTime call as you charge your phone. Now, what makes this so travel-friendly compared to other MagSafe chargers that I've used is that it genuinely is small when it's all set up, and it's foldable, making it easy to throw it in your bag. So yeah, this one will for sure go in my bag for all future trips, because this can basically eliminate having to carry multiple charging cables and multiple chargers to power my phone, my watch, and AirPods. Now, the next one on the list is my go-to charging brick for the most power out of a single charging brick. So this is the world's most compact 160 watt multi-port charger. It has 3 USB-C ports and a smart display to see all your stats at once. Now, just for reference, this is what the charger looks like next to the AirPods Pro 3 case. It's only a tiny bit bigger than that, which is crazy for a 160 watt charger. So just to go over some stats here for this charger is that there's 3 ports in total. If you were to plug in one cable in any of these ports and charge one device, you'll get a stable max output of 140 watts. If you were to plug in 3 devices all at once, the first plug labeled T1 will get 100 watts, and the other 2 ports can go up to 30 watts max each, which is pretty impressive. Now, it also supports dynamic power distribution for a wide range of devices with mainstream charging protocols. Now, besides the high wattage output, the smart display can also show you real-time stats right on the charger, like how much wattage each port is pushing. And the cool thing about this charger that others don't have is that you can select certain modes to prioritize certain ports or choose how much each port can push out. Like instead of having C1 push 100 watts and the others at 30 watts, you can configure it like C1 pushes 100 watts, C2 is at 50 watts, and C3 is at 10 watts. Now, this also features Active Shield 4.0, which runs over 10 million temperature checks daily to make sure that your phone doesn't get too hot and it won't overheat, and it'll adjust the charging speed so that it can let the charger cool down to get you the best and safest speeds possible. Oh, and I also love the design choice to place all the ports at the bottom. This is more optimized design for the center of gravity, which helps the charger stay securely plugged into a loose wall socket. And last but not least is my new favorite charging station that'll live 24/7 on my bedside table, the Anker wireless stand charging station. Now, this is the world's first 25 watt wireless charging station with active cooling system and a built-in display. Now, what's awesome about this charging station is that it's perfect for your bedside table or your desk at the office. It's basically a 3-in-1 charger, just like the foldable charging station earlier, but this is meant to stay at home or the office that can fast charge your iPhone 17 Pro at 25 watts with MagSafe compatibility. And this charger can charge my 17 Pro from 0 to 50% in just 22 minutes. And the best part, it can actively cool the phone as it charges wirelessly so that you get the fastest speeds possible. Now, this is good because not only will you get faster charging speed, but this will also help keep your battery health at tip-top shape by making sure it doesn't get too hot while charging. Now, like I mentioned earlier, this charging station has a built-in display, and this is awesome for checking the time, your charging stats, and of course, you can configure the cooling level or cooling mode on the MagSafe compatible charger. Now, everything can be done on the stand itself, which is awesome. That means you don't have to use Bluetooth or an app to configure how fast or cool the chargers are. Now, the other chargers here are for your AirPods and Apple Watch, which are both 5 watts. Now, this can actually fast charge the Apple Watch Series 10 to 50% in less than 20 minutes, which is perfect. So if you guys are interested in picking up any of these Prime chargers from Anker, I'll have a link down below that like button on where you can pick these up. And again, thank you to Anker for sending these over and sponsoring this video. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.